Hi, my name is Enrique Abeyta, and I want to welcome you to my new independent research firm, HX Research. We established this firm to be able to provide world-class, institutional-class research to the ordinary investor and give you actionable stock ideas where you can make money. So what I want to do today is I want to tell you a little bit about our story. And to do that, I'll start a little bit about my story. My background is that I am originally from Phoenix, Arizona. I was the child of a Uruguayan immigrant who came here to escape political turmoil in her country, as well as my father who was, German Mexican, very Western. I grew up in a very non-Wall Street environment. Didn't even know what a stock was until I was 16 years old. But I was blessed to have a great mother who really supported me and, made me excel. And gave me great ambitions. And so as I was growing up, we were quite poor, and I decided that the best way to be not poor back then was to go to Wall Street. So when I was doing my research as a kid, and I found out that the Wharton School at the University of Pennsylvania was the best business school in the country and a great entryway to Wall Street. So I applied there, got in, and then began a great career on Wall Street across the last 30 years. I started out doing private equity at Lehman Brothers. Very quickly moved over to what they call the buy side, which is institutional money management, managing money for large institutions. And then for the next 20 years, I ran what they call hedge funds. I was very blessed to have great partners and great timing, and also worked really, really hard. Across those 20 years, I founded two firms where we raised over $2 billion with me as the managing partner, and co-founded two other firms where we raised over $3 billion with me as a founding partner. And again, I spent 25 years professionally managing money at the highest level, focused on creating returns and what's called alpha, returns above and beyond the market for these institutional investors. So a few years ago, I had taken a break from Wall Street, not because I didn't like it, but because I had another opportunity. But I was approached by my friend Whitney Tilson. Whitney Tilson's another famous money manager. And Whitney came to me and said that he was going to be pursuing an opportunity with a legendary investment newsletter writer named Porter Stansberry. I wasn't that familiar with the investment newsletter business or Porter, but I quickly dived in, and I was absolutely blown away by what Stansberry Research had done. What they did is they really took incredible insights and ideas and evergreen advice, and they put it in language that we all could understand and we can all digest. It was educational, it was interesting, and it was actually, to a certain extent, entertainment. And I was really blown away by the quality of the advice and the way it was presented. The other thing that they did at Stansberry, which was incredibly impressive, is that every one of their paid newsletters had an actionable stock idea. And I mention this because it's core to what we do is, we are here to educate you, inform you, teach you about investing, teach you about, all these different subjects. But ultimately, we're all here with one common goal. Let's figure out how to make money. So every one of our paid newsletters has an actionable stock idea or options idea or a trade in some asset class that you can go out and monetize. So Whitney walked me through what he was doing with Stansberry, and I was blown away at the opportunity. This was an opportunity to take my experience on Wall Street and again bring it to everyday people and really educate people. And it was great running money for CalPERS and Abu Dhabi and things like that. But I felt this could be much more satisfying, and it very much fit with my own personal desires and strengths. So originally, Whitney formed Empire Financial back in early 2019. I started with him in late 2019, and across the last 5 years, we built it into a great franchise. That brings us to late 2023. Porter, who had stepped away from the business, came back and was doing some great things that needed to be done at MarketWise. One of those things is he offered an opportunity for Whitney to go and take over Stansberry Investment Advisory, which was the flagship there, an absolutely fantastic opportunity for Whitney, as well as the Empire subscribers that would come over. And after we sort of went through all the evolutions there, I went to Porter and said, hey, Porter, I love what we did at Empire, this idea of taking this world-class, this institutional class research and bringing it to folks in a language that they can understand with these actionable ideas. Are you cool with me moving forward and creating my own firm? And he's like, absolutely. Go do it, man. And so that was the formation of HX. We were formed, we began this process in late 2023, and now we've launched here on February 1st of 2024. What is HX? What's our goal, our mission? Look, our mission is to help you make money. Our mission is to give you actionable ideas. Our mission is to educate, inform, and entertain you about investing and trading. So what you can expect from us, we have 4 products out of the gates. We've got HX Daily, which is a free daily email that will come at least 5 times a week, every business day. It's delivered at 8 o'clock. We talk about a lot of subjects here, a lot of things that are evergreen, that are true at any point. We'll deal with things that are happening at the time. That's sort of our core product. You can sign up for that at daily.hxresearch.net. Again, that's free. And then we have 3 paid products. HX Trader, which if those of you familiar with Empire is basically Empire Elite Trader. These are equity ideas that are based, that we identify with a trading methodology that I developed across 30 years. This product has an outstanding track record. We had over a 75% hit rate. The product in 2022 had over 75 ideas. They were all long. We had an 8 to 9% absolute return, also with a 74% hit rate. And the market, remember, was down 20 to 30%. So we were all long. We made almost double digits with the indices being down 20, 30%. So HX Trader is really an evergreen equity product, just buys liquid stocks that you can identify. HX Income is the options version of HX Trader. What we do there is we use option strategies, selling put options to take advantage of similar situations to HX Trader. So both of those strategies have, let's say, 45 to 90-day holding periods, very high hit rates, make money in down markets, very evergreen. These things can make money no matter what's happening out there, and we've got a great track record with them. The third paid product is HX Legacy. At Empire, I ran something called Empire Elite Growth, focused on growth. I also did a lot with Empire Investment Report, which was a little bit more value-oriented. What HX Legacy is, it's the merger of those two. It's what I did in my funds for 30 years. What we're really looking for are liquid stocks with an exceptional risk reward. What does that mean? We want to only get involved with things, situations where we think we can at least double our money, but we want at least also a 3-to-1 risk reward. So that means we'll have some very volatile stocks in there, things that can go down, could go down 50%, but we're only buying something that might go down 50% because we think it can go up 150 or 200 or 300. But for the most part, we're not actually going to be doing just that. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff, value, spin-off, arbitrage, etc. So again, 4 products. HX Daily, our free daily. We've got the trading products, HX Trader, which is once a week, HX Income, which is the options version of Trader, which is twice a month, and then HX Legacy, where we'll come out with ideas once a month. The idea there is a portfolio of 20 to 25 ideas that you can hold for multiple years. Okay, so I want to finish up here. What I really want to say is I want to say thank you for watching this video and learning about our firm, HX Research. This business is really the culmination of my life's work. My entire life has been involved in investing, in education, in media. And, this mission here of bringing these ideas and bringing them out for everyone so that everyone can understand them, making them accessible. Again, it's really my life's mission. It's my life's goal. And it's the culmination of everything that I've worked for across these last decades. We're a small firm. There's 3 or 4 of us. I work with a couple of my best friends. There's a story that Porter Stansberry started his firm at his kitchen table. My kitchen's around 30 feet away there. But we're bringing institutional class research. This is the same research that I had available at my hedge fund. That we charged 2 and 24, and you had to invest a minimum of $10 million. So again, I appreciate you showing an interest in HX Research. Check us out at daily.hxresearch.net. You can also email us at info@hxresearch.net. hxresearch.net, and check us out on all of our socials. We appreciate the interest and support, and we look forward to going out and making you some money.